Hey everybody, and welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video we are going to be doing a bracelet made from the memory wire. Now this is one that I made over the weekend. You guys, I love it. It's got the dark blue as well as the black lava beads with like these huge chunky, I don't know, these things are, I don't know what they are, but they're like very sparkly. Then I've got some gold lava beads as well. You guys, I love it. My daughter my daughter said this looked like a church bracelet. I said, what the freak? Yeah, a church bracelet. This is a church bracelet. Anywho, okay, so of course you're going to need wire cutters. I got my beads right there. Hopefully the one I make today is a little bit better to her standards, and you're going to need the wire. Pretty much my other daughter said it looked like a slinky. So you can make as many layers to your bracelet as you like. I like the look of the 3 rows, and I did all 3 rows to be different. I think that's really nice as well. So I always do the 3 rings to match up from this end. That way, let me see, that way they're kind of, you know, ending in the same place, and they both are at the back rather than one of them being in the front. So keep that in mind. I'm gonna go ahead and get started.